Better to love than to give into hate.
Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Lavon Tanisha. If this is your first time coming to my channel, please hit subscribe. In this video, I'm going to do the Pantone Color of the Year Classic Blue. For the last 2 years, I released the Pantone Color of the Year and I did a monochromatic look. This year, since the color is Classic Blue, I'm just going to do a blue smoky eye for you, and then with like a neutral lip. If you want to see how I create this look, please stay tuned and let's get into the video. First, I'm going to start with brushing up my eyebrows. I have a video on eyebrows if you want to take a look at that. To sculpt out your eyebrows, you can look at it right here. If you do not like this look, it is okay to skip this step. With my blending brush, I am going to smooth that out. Next, I'm going to use the P. Louise in number 5 as my eyeshadow primer. But you always want to use a primer so your eyeshadow will stay on longer and it won't crease. So you want to spread this all over your eyelid. And then you also want to take it with your blending brush and blend it out. Now that I have that done, I'm going to move into my eyeshadow. I always like to start with my transition color. The color I'm going to use today is called Rubbish, and this is by Melt Cosmetics. This is the perfect transition color for me. I'm going to put this above my crease, and I'm using a blending brush. And your transition color is about the same shade as your complexion because you want it to look really natural. Next, I'm going to take Rust by Melt Cosmetics, and I'm going to put this underneath of my transition, just a little bit above my crease. I want to warm up this area. For the blue to go into. Today I'm going to use 2 different palettes that already have blue in them. I did not buy new palettes. I'm just going to use the blue that I already had. So there are other palettes that you can use that incorporate a lot of different blue that has like a blue scheme. There is one by Huda Beauty, there's one by Anastasia, there's one by ColourPop. So today I'm going to use Stallion, and this is the Perception palette by Shayla and ColourPop. I'm going to use that one into my crease. And this is actually a darker navy, and it has a little bit of reflex sparkles in it. So I'm putting this up into my crease because we're going to go from classic blue to about this navy blue. But this is called Lady Justice, and the blue that I'm using today is called Deep Truth. This is an individual color that you can buy from MAC Cosmetics. Loading up my brush, I'm going to place Deep Truth right on top. So in my inner corner, I'm going to put this color. It's called Bold Babe. With my little brush, always important to have the right tools. I'm going to apply this right in the inner corner. I'm going to blend up into Deep Truth. I want to moisturize my face with the Jason Revitalizing Moisture Cream. For my primer, I'm using the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. Today's foundation choice is the MAC Pro Longwear Foundation. This is a waterproof foundation, and the color is NC50. You only need a little bit of this as well. It's a full coverage foundation. Like I said, it's waterproof. I have not tested the waterproof as far as like getting in the pool or anything like that, but it definitely is a long wearing foundation. It gives me good coverage and I don't really have to do much. It blends right in. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer today to conceal under my eyes. This color is Deep Sand. I'm gonna take my beauty sponge and blend this out. You want your sponge to be a little damp. Mine's not that damp right now, but it's not completely dry either. I'm gonna use dark and deep dark mineralized skin finish to set my liquid foundation. I like to mix these two. It just gives me the color that I need. They're pretty sheer. But this combination just works for me. Gonna make sure you get under your eyes. I like to contour with NW58. This is the Studio Fix powder. I like to contour with powders because it's less steps for me. This is a quick face today. This blush is one of my favorite blushes. This is Copper Tone by MAC. With a stippling brush, I'm gonna blend this up into my contour. It's my favorite because it gives a little bit of color. You can build on it if you want it to be heavier, but it's very soft and subtle. I'm gonna highlight with my Warm Blend Mineralized Skin Finish by MAC highlighter. I don't believe this is on the market anymore. You may be able to find it online. But this is one of my favorites too. Any setting spray you use, you want to do that before you do your mascara. That way your mascara does not transfer down to your face. Learn that the hard way. This is Hot and Naughty by MAC. And this is the blackest one they have. Just going to coat my lashes. So next I'm just going to apply my lashes. Outline my waterline with black, smudge a little blue underneath, and I'll be right back. Now that my eyes are done, I'm gonna move on to my lips. Today I'm using this little itty bitty pencil. This is Chestnut by MAC. You can tell this is my favorite lip liner. I'm gonna use Cherish by MAC. This is more of like a nudie for my complexion lipstick. And for my lip gloss, I'm gonna use the Fenty Glow. This is the Gloss Bomb lip gloss. I love the way it feels. That's about it. So guys, I hope you like this look that I did for you today. This is my rendition of the classic blue from the Pantone matching system. You know, I'm a graphic designer full-time, so I'm always up on trend as far as colors. This one's a little punchy. I love this color. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, leave me comments of videos that you want to see from me in 2020. I'm going to try to have another video for you by the end of this year. But I just wanted to do this color since they just released this color. So thank you for watching my video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Ooh, you don't want to see that. That looks bad.